Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering scissors, a damp cloth, and a protective clear sealant spray. Clean the skin with soap and water, then dry thoroughly for 30 seconds. Trim hair close to the skin or shave a small area for better contact. If you have oily skin, apply a thin layer of rubbing alcohol and let it evaporate before applying. Choose a flat area without stretching for the sticker placement. Position the sticker and check alignment before beginning the transfer process. Place the sticker face down on the skin and press firmly for 30 seconds using a damp cloth. Hold the cloth steady and apply even pressure to transfer the ink. After 30 seconds, peel the paper backing slowly at a 45-degree angle to avoid smudging. If any part did not transfer, reapply the damp cloth and press again for 10 to 15 seconds. Pat the design dry with a clean towel without rubbing to secure the transfer. Allow the skin to rest for 2 minutes before sealing. Spray a light coat of clear sealant from 8 to 12 inches away and let it dry for 60 seconds. Apply a second thin layer if you expect water exposure or heavy friction. Avoid excessive rubbing and dry contact for at least 4 hours after sealing to improve waterproof longevity. To clean, avoid alcohol on new transfers. Use water and gentle patting instead. When you want to remove it, apply baby oil or rubbing alcohol and massage gently until the design dissolves. Rinse the skin with warm water and moisturize after removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.